Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. The Bizzy Birdz Pine Cone Girl Natural Bird Toy is a charming toy designed to keep your bird entertained. Featuring a natural pine cone and other natural materials to encourage chewing and shredding, you can also hide a treat for an extra challenge. Perfect for cages or play stands, it supports natural instincts while promoting mental and physical stimulation. Order yours today.